Today we'll look at the AI libraries, the top libraries. Uh, One of them is scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is like one of the best thing for machine learning. It has everything. Like for example, it has the versatility, the performance, and everything. So what it actually does is it actually helps in the machine learning library and everything. The next is XGBoost. XGBoost is more like a tabular data, so that is for the extreme gradient boosting. So it's for highly efficient and scalable machine learning. And next is the core feature of XGBoost is it has a structural tabular data. And when do we use it is for scenarios which can prioritize the performance. The next is Light GBM. So that is basically Microsoft's speed optimized gradient boosting framework, and it is also more like the tabular data, and it is for data scientists and machine learning engineers and data analysts. The next is for TensorFlow. TensorFlow is like the best out of all of it. It's basically used for the deep learning. Basically, what is TensorFlow? It's an open source deep learning framework which is developed by basically Google, and it actually can be used for complex deep learning, the research applications and everything. And its primary use for AI engineers, the computer vision engineers. And the next is the PyTorch. PyTorch is for Facebook's dynamic deep learning framework. So basically, TensorFlow is for Google and PyTorch is for Facebook. It's an open source deep learning library developed by Facebook's AI research. And when can we use is we can use for the rapid iteration and the experimentation. It's also used for deep learning research, NLP engineers and all those stuff. The next is Hugging Face. The next is Hugging Face. Hugging Face is the hub state of the art NLP model. So basically, what is Hugging Face? Hugging Face is like it's an open source platform. It's language processing by the cutting edge AI application. When do we need to use Hugging Face? Is for the transfer learning, NLP application, and limited training data. It primarily uses for NLP engineers, AI research, and data scientists. The next is OpenAI, the gateway to the advanced AI model. So let's say if you want an API to get all the ChatGPT, Sora, and DALI, then we are going to use the OpenAI. The next is the core features of all this application, AI application, and all the stuff. The next best thing is the LangChain. It's the framework for building the LLM powered application. It's an open source framework again. When do we need to use it? When we want LLM application or external data access and all those stuffs. The primary users are AI application developers, LLM integration and all those stuff. The next one is Llama Index, the bridge between the LLMs and your data. That's it. Thanks.